Hey guys, welcome back. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. I am so glad you're here today. I have like the most popular recipe, second most popular recipe on the blog to share with you today. And that is smash burger sauce. It is delicious. Now, if you've never had a smash burger, I know we've had them in California and Texas, a couple other places, but it's a burger that has been smashed. And then they have this amazing sauce over the top. And if you're like, why is that sauce so great? It's like Big Mac sauce. It's that special sauce and it's delicious. And to make it at home, it just takes a few ingredients. So let me show you what we're gonna need. It's gonna start with mayonnaise. It's the base for the sauce. We also have ketchup and sweet relish, Dijon mustard, just a touch of Worcestershire sauce. And I've gotten that right today. Today's gonna be a great day. We have smoked paprika and then some Montreal steak seasoning. And that's really all we're gonna need for this recipe. And honestly, it couldn't be any easier to make. So I'll show you just how quick this comes together. Now, this makes a cup of sauce. And if you think, oh gosh, Deb, I don't need a cup of sauce. This also goes on a ton of other things. You can use this as a dip for your fries, tater tots, onion rings. You can, there's a recipe on my blog for Big Mac salad. If you've never had that, that is amazing. And this can be drizzled over the top of that. I also have a blog post for tater tot Big Mac casserole. It is delicious. And this is what we use over the top of it as well. So we're just gonna add all of our ingredients to this little bowl and give it a good whisk. So super simple, huh? So just whisk it up. Takes just a minute. And remember, like all the ingredients are on the below. There's also on the blog some additional tips and variations that you can do. If you don't have X, you can use Y, etc., etc. Now, if this looks familiar to you, it's an awful lot like Thousand Island dressing. So it's that really good, savory, tasty bite. So I was gonna get a spoon, but I'm gonna use this instead. I just wanna give it a taste and see if it needs anything. Nope, that's perfect. It's exactly how we want it to taste. It's a little sweet, a little tangy. The Montreal steak seasoning gives it, that salt and pepper thing that it needs, a little garlic. It's delicious. Now, really that's our recipe today, but no smash burger is complete without a burger. So let's build a burger next. Like I said, there's no reason to make smash burger sauce though without having a burger. And Dan was nice enough to grill for us. And he is, I always call him a master griller. He makes the best burgers, the best steaks. So let's put these burgers together and let's get ready for lunch, okay? So a big trick, and you may know this too, but we always toast the buns. Sometimes we put butter on them first, but if you toast the buns, the texture remains much more firm and isn't gonna get all sloppy and gooey. So big fan of that. Slather the sauce on the top and the bottom, of course. And we're gonna build both these burgers because we're gonna enjoy lunch when we're done. So I'm putting the smash burger sauce on the tops and bottoms of both of the buns. I just want to set that aside. Okay. So in my world, it's lettuce. It's bun, sauce, lettuce. And then this delicious, juicy burger right on top, followed by a tomato. Super pretty. And the top of the burger. Doesn't that look amazing? Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's build the second one for us, for Dan. So once again, got to have our lettuce on the bottom to make it look pretty. We're gonna top it with our burger. Another yummy big fat beefsteak tomato because those have so much flavor. And there's the lid. So now, the best part, right? Who's hungry? I gotta try this because I know this is my favorite way to enjoy a burger. I'll apologize in advance. This might not be very ladylike. The sauce is creamy. It's tangy. Dan seasoned the burgers really well with Montreal steak seasoning. So this is super savory. The perfect addition. Guys, I hope you try this real soon. Smash burger sauce. Easy to make. It ups your burger game. I hope you make it right away. Any questions, give me a shout. Please like and comment below. That means the world to me. It helps YouTube tell others about me when you do that. Over at the blog, I'll have the whole recipe below, but over at the blog, you'll find some additional variations and tips. So make sure you check it out. I'd love for you to join the Bowl Me Over family. Thanks for watching today and have a great day. We'll see you soon.